Welcome to my channel. I'll be doing some crochet braids. I made some passion twist braids, so that's what I'm going to be crocheting on my hair. This is how my lines are. I know they're a bit not so nice looking but we'll work with what we have, right? So this is the pattern. So first of all, to begin, I'm just going to prep my hair for crocheting because it's a long-term protective style. So I'm going to moisturize my hair, add in oil. I used coconut oil. Then I'm going to use my shea butter to just act as a cream, and there after that I'll start crocheting the braids. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly stay tuned to the very end, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. These over here are the braids that I'm going to be using. I'll be mixing the black and the brown braid because it just looks nice to me. It's amazing. And then I also love the length. They are super extremely long, and that's what I was going for. So yeah, the crochet braids won't take me, it didn't take me much time, maybe let's say at the most one hour maximum, and I was done with the hairstyle. It's a very quick style, except for when you are braiding the lines. I did the lines by myself and it was so tiresome. Advice, if you don't know how to braid, maybe you can go to a salonist to just get your hair braided, get your lines braided in, then you can do this on your own. I remember back in the day, this was my go-to hairstyle, the crochet hairstyle, and this is because it's one, it's a long-term protective style, and the main reason why I loved it is because it helps me retain my hair, and my hair grew a lot during that period of time. I know it's not hygienic, but I used to keep my hair in this style for 3 whole months back in the university days, for a whole semester. That's what I used to do, except for like maybe washing the hair in between, but I used to keep it intact for 3 months. And I retained a lot of length. One thing that I can promise with the crochet hairstyle is that you retain a lot of length because you're not in your hair all the time. You don't get to work on your hair, you don't get to, your hair strands don't break, they are protected in there. So yeah, you see a lot of growth when you take them out. So another thing that I love about this hairstyle is that you can moisturize your own natural hair. Like, it's easier because when you part the braids, you have your lines in there, so you can oil your scalp. You can also add a little bit of water to your braids, to the lines in there. So yeah, that's why I loved it. Enough of my rant right now. So I think I'll just shut up and just let you watch as I do this process. It's an easy to follow process, as you can see me do, right? So yeah, I hope you also enjoy watching the video. Kindly comment in the comment section. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you have any comments. Just let me know what you think. And also, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and give a thumbs up to this video. Right now, this is what I have. The braids are full on my head, but I still have left some spaces in between because I don't want the braids to be super bulky than it is already. So yeah, as you see right there at that place, I've left a lot of space because again, I don't want it to be super bulky in addition to how it is long already. So yeah, that's what I have. I think I'm going to keep my braids in for 3 whole months. I'm going to keep my braids in for 3 whole months, and yeah, it won't be a hassle as long as you maintain. I know how to maintain hygiene, to keep my scalp clean, to keep the bad smell off, so that won't be an issue to me. So yeah, I'm sorted for 3 months. I'm sorted with just a simple and elegant hairstyle, and I'm also thinking maybe I'll do a video on how to style this hair. Let me know in the comment section if you're willing to watch out for that video. Comment tutorial in the comment tutorial down below in the comment section, and I will sure do that video for you. Bye.